Hello kids, welcome to my channel Chiku Kids. Today we learn colors. Wow, colors and shades. Let's start with colors. Red color, orange color, yellow color, light blue color, dark blue color, light green color, dark green color, pink color, purple color. Circle shape, square shape, triangle shape, star shape, rectangle shape, heart shape. Kids, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Let's start. Draw shape. Circle shape. We draw circle shape. Square shape. Triangle shape. Star shape. Rectangle shape. Heart shape. Let's start with two shades. Let's coloring. Red color. Orange color. Green color. Dark green color. Cyan color. Blue color. Yellow color. Blue color. Pink color. Purple color. Red color. Pink color. Wow! Very beautiful shades. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Let's learn circle shape, square shape, triangle shape, star shape, rectangle shape, heart shape. See you guys. Bye bye.